Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use freeze frames within your edit on Inshot. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Inshot application on your device, and after opening it up, you can create any new video project or open up your old ones from your draft. After you enter the timeline menu, you can tap on the plus icon to import your desired media. And once you have made your desired edits, within your video, if at some point you wish to add a freeze frame or freeze your video at any point for a certain duration of time, then simply go over to this point using the vertical bar first. Then from this point, tap on the video file and then swipe the edit slider to the right until you see the freeze option. Go ahead and tap on it. And now this will introduce a freeze frame for your video file. You can tap on the play button to see if the freeze frame works or not. Now by default, it will be added for a duration of 3 seconds, but you can use the slider at the end to extend or reduce it. After changing your setting, you can view the preview once again. And once you are satisfied with your freeze frame that you have added, you can continue forward with your edit and add it in other locations as well through the same method. And once you are done editing, you can export your file right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add a freeze frame within your edits on Inshot. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.